In pill, liquid, gel cap, tablet, powder, or capsule form, a variety of supplements varies tremendously. There is an entire market dedicated to supplements. Some supplements are good and have positive benefits if used properly. Others are just a waste of money and may be harmful to your health. So, it is important to first identify your goals and determine why you want to use supplements in the first place. Then read, and read some more before purchasing and using. People consume supplements for many reasons. Some of these include to improve energy levels, alter body composition, prevent chronic disease, control appetite, slow down aging, stimulate metabolism, maintain normal immune function, and enhance physical and mental performance and recovery. Research has shown that multivitamin usage has reduced the risk of chronic diseases. So because of this, experts agree that a daily multivitamin is useful. But how a person reacts to a supplement varies and depends upon the physiologic and psychological state of that person. Supplementation can be beneficial if done properly. Often supplementation is better for the body and does not disturb the body's physiology as drugs can. Before considering consuming supplements, it is a good idea to first examine your diet and determine if you are receiving all that you need from your food. Your diet alone may be enough, and consuming supplements may be excessive, risking toxicity. Remember, supplements should only supplement your diet and not replace meals or nutrients. It is also smart to take into account your activity level because if you are taxing your body physically, your diet may not be enough and additional supplements could help with muscle growth and recovery. As I mentioned, there are supplements that may provide benefits for you and enhance your daily nutrition. In the next few lessons, I will go over some of these. Using supplements or not should be based on your goals. They are not necessarily just for athletes or people who exercise. We all need adequate macronutrients and micronutrients in our diets every day. So if we aren't receiving what we need from food, supplements may fill that gap. Remember to always read the suggested dosage on the packaging and check with your doctor first if you have any doubts about taking supplements. In the next few chapters, I will go over some specific supplements that you may add to your daily diet. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lessons.